Hello Aries and welcome to your bonus love reading. So this is a bonus love reading for the sign of Aries. Also Aries, keep in mind that ये एक general reading है, collective reading है. So not every message will resonate to your situation. And take what resonates, leave the rest. Okay, since this is a timeless reading, so जब भी आप ये reading देखेंगे ये reading आपसे resonate करेगी. And if this reading found you, it found you for a reason, and there could be messages for you in this reading. All right. So bottom of the deck, we have this energy. My finances are a mess right now. I have made a bad decision. I'm in the process of turning things around. For some of you, you could be dealing here with a person जिनकी financial situation इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. That's why they left you, okay? और इस वजह से ये आपके पास नहीं आ रहे. But however, I feel that this person has great love for you. Truth is that I'm in love with you and twin flames. So you could be dealing here with your twin flame or a higher level soulmate connection. Okay. And then you could be dealing here with this person who ghosted you in the past, who left you out in the cold, who just had a wishy-washy behavior, जिन्होंने आपको ditch किया, आपको छोड़ के चले गए, ठीक है? And now this person is saying that I ghosted you because it was getting too intense. I don't let people in my life easily because I have trust issues. For some of you, you are dealing here with a person who has trust issues, या इनके पास्ट में कुछ ऐसे मामलात हैं, या इनकी फैमिली प्रॉब्लम, या इनके पेरेंट्स के साथ कुछ ऐसे मामलात हैं कि इनको बहुत जल्दी किसी पे ट्रस्ट नहीं होता. दैट्स वाई दिस पर्सन ghosted you in the past, and this person is also saying that इनकी financial situation भी अच्छी नहीं है जिसकी वजह से they left you. However, this person is saying that they have gone through a spiritual awakening recently, okay, and a tower moment could have happened in this person's life जिसकी वजह से इन person को एक spiritual awakening आई है regarding you and this connection. So I see that this person will be coming forward in your life because this person is in love with you. So this person is saying that the truth is that I am in love with you. So let's see some other messages for the sign of Aries. Let's see some other messages for the sign of Aries. All right. इन पर्सन के दिल में आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा पैशन है, केमिस्ट्री है, अट्रैक्शन है, ठीक है. यहाँ पे इमोशनल अट्रैक्शन के साथ साथ फिजिकल अट्रैक्शन भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. सो दिस इज़ विंटर राइट नाउ, विंटर सीजन. सो देयर कुड बी अ रीबर्थ इन योर कनेक्शन इन दिस विंटर सीजन, एंड आई ऑल्सो सी दैट आपने इन पर्सन के साथ कोई टफ साइकिल कंप्लीट किया है. You have ended a tough cycle with this person, and this person is in a process of turning things around because this person wants a change with you in this connection. They need some courage to have a change with you in this connection. So this person is coming back to you because they want a rebirth with you, and they have so much passion and chemistry for you. Let's see here it is. Let's see. What else do we have? What else do we have? Show me more messages for the sign of Aries. Show me more messages for the sign of Aries. King of Pentacles and the Three of Swords. Yes, this person broke your heart. You invested a lot in this situation, ठीक है, and this person knows that you bring a lot to the table. But oh, we have Six of Cups and then we have the Eight of Cups. So this is a past life person जिसके बारे में ये आप reading देख रहे हैं. ये आपके past life person है. We have the King of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, the Six of Cups, and the Eight of Cups. Bottom of the deck, we have the Knight of Wands, then we have the Five of Pentacles, and then we have the Magician. Very clear messages for you, Aries. This person ghosted you, this person broke your heart. This is your past life person जो आपको छोड़ के चले गए, जो आपकी ज़िंदगी से चले गए. With the Knight of Wands, I can pick up this energy कि इन person ने आपको ditch किया, backstab किया. This person could have a wishy-washy energy. They could have a hot and cold, in and out energy. And now this person is feeling left out in the cold by you. Like, okay, this person left you out in the cold. This person broke your heart. इनको पता है that आपने situation में बहुत ज़्यादा invest किया, ठीक है, that you bring a lot to the table. But right now ये person भी खुश नहीं है. ये पर्सन भी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मिस कर रहे हैं और ये आपके साथ कम्युनिकेशन मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हैं और ये पर्सन आपके साथ एक रिकन्सिलिएशन मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हैं। किंग ऑफ पेंटिकल्स है, तो दिस कार्ड इज शोइंग दैट दिस पर्सन wants you to be their spouse, okay? So this person wants you back in their life. They are manifesting to have a reconciliation with you. Show me this person's feelings and energy towards the Aries. Show me this person's feelings and energy towards the Aries. Show me this person's feelings and energies towards the Aries. So we have, you could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Then we have the Six of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then we have Strength, that is Leo energy. Then we have the Page of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands. Bottom of the deck we have Empress, Taurus energy. Then we have the Seven of Swords. Then we have the Death, Scorpio energy. ये पर्सन जब पास्ट में आपके साथ थे, दे पुट यू इन अ कंपटीशन, दे मेड यू यू नो, दे जस्ट मेड यू वेंट थ्रू अ लॉट, ओके, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग। यानी कि इन्होंने आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कंपटीशन में डाला, बहुत ज़्यादा आपको बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द से गुजारा। विद द सेवन ऑफ सॉर्ड्स, विद द डेथ, देयर वाज अ पेनफुल एंडिंग, देयर वाज अ पेनफुल एंडिंग। इन्होंने आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पेन से गुजारा है, बहुत ज़्यादा सफरिंग दी। और इस सिचुएशन में, इन दिस होल सिचुएशन, देयर इज़ अ थर्ड पार्टी इन्वॉल्वमेंट। Because we had my finances are a mess right now, okay, and I'm a process of turning things around, so I thought that this third party situation is their financial issues. But right now, अब जो कार्ड्स की एनर्जी शो कर रही है वो ये शो कर रही है कि यहाँ पे कोई थर्ड पार्टी इन्वॉल्वमेंट भी है। आइदर दिस इज़ अ मेल और दिस इज़ अ फीमेल, बट देयर इज़ इन्वॉल्वमेंट, स्ट्रॉन्ग इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ अ थर्ड पार्टी हु इज़ ट्राइंग टू इंटरफेयर बिटवीन द टू ऑफ यू। That's why you had an ending with this person. इन पर्सन को कोई तो यू नो थर्ड पार्टी ने कोई तो लालच दिया, जिसकी वजह से ये थर्ड पार्टी के पीछे चले गए और आपको इन्होंने छोड़ दिया। But this person wants you to be their spouse, and this person feels that with this Empress card that you are very nurturing, very caring, very loving, very generous, and they want you to be the mother or father of their children. With the Page of Pentacles, I see that communication, that offer is coming in, and I also see a strong change happening in this connection. Show me this person's next actions towards the Aries. Show me this person's next actions towards the Aries. That offer of love is coming in. Page of Cups, Five of Swords, Three of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. Right now you are dealing with all the signs are present here in this reading. And bottom of the deck we have the Wheel of Fortune, then we have the Two of Wands, then we have the High Priestess, that is Pisces and Cancerian energy. With the Page of Cups, that offer of love is coming in. With the Three of Cups, that reconciliation is confirmed, that this person wants a reconciliation with you. With the Ace of Pentacles, again this person wants to have a new beginning with you in this connection. However, with the Five of Swords, this shows that because of the third party, this person could have some, I heard, ego issues, or I heard some, still some manipulative behavior. So you need to just be aware of this person. However, this person wants a change with you in this connection, and with the Two of Wands, this person is this person is introspecting about this situation, and they want to approach this situation in a better manner. Basically, इन्हें पता है that you bring a lot to the table, okay, and you won't take less than what you deserve. तो इन्हें पता है कि इनको आपको कोई कमिटमेंट ऑफर देनी पड़ेगी, ठीक है। You don't deserve that wishy-washy behavior. And with this High Priestess, I feel that आपकी intuition इस वक्त बहुत ज़्यादा काम कर रही है, So your intuition is guiding you to you know, to lead you in a better way. Okay, uh, show me the outcome of the situation. Show me the outcome of the situation. Show me the outcome of the situation. Wow. So we have the Hierophant, that is Taurus energy. Then we have the King of Swords. Then we have the Four of Swords and the World. You have completed a tough cycle with this person. Ending of tough cycles and beginning of the new ones. Bottom of the deck, Ace of Wands. Then we have the Knight of Cups. Then we have the Nine of Wands. This person owes you an apology and this person knows that they owes you an apology, और आप apology के बगैर ये आपकी तरफ आ भी नहीं सकते क्योंकि इन्हें पता है कि इन्होंने सिचुएशन को बहुत बुरी तरह मैसअप किया है. However, with the Hierophant, I see कि ये person आपको एक लव ऑफर देना चाहते हैं, एक मैरिज ऑफर देना चाहते हैं और ये जानते हैं कि इन्होंने आपको बहुत बुरे वक्त से गुजारा है. सो यू ऑल्सो have to go through this healing process and they also have to go through that healing process. Okay, however, with the Knight of Cups and with the Ace of Wands, I see this person has passionate feelings for you. that जो शुरू में कार्ड आया था पैशन केमिस्ट्री का, तो ये कन्फर्म हो गया कि ये पर्सन आपकी तरफ बहुत ज़्यादा पैशनेट फील करते हैं, अट्रैक्शन फील करते हैं और ये पर्सन आपको एक ऑफ़र देना चाहते हैं. माजी में ये जो इन्होंने दे पुट अप देयर गार्ड्स एंड सो ये पर्सन अब उस चीज़ से हील करना चाहते हैं. ये पर्सन बेसिकली आपकी तरफ वापस आना चाहते हैं क्योंकि इन्हें पता है दैट इन्होंने सिचुएशन को बहुत बुरी तरह मैसअप किया है. ऑल्सो ये जो थर्ड पार्टी है, ये दिस कुड बी देयर फैमिली ट्रेडिशंस. ओके, this could be for some of you, this could be their family traditions, your person's family traditions. For some of you, this could be your person's finances, and for some of you it could be a third party. For some of you it could be all the reasons. So that's why you are suffering a lot and you need to go through this healing process. However, I see that the change you are craving to have in your life and the change you are craving to have in your relationship is coming in, and I see a love offer coming in for you. So congratulations, that is a very positive energy for you, Aries. So thank you so much, Aries. That's all I have for you. Please hit like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next. Till then, take care and bye.